Yo, chat, what's up, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I think today's gonna be an interesting one. If I'm not gonna lie, market's been really choppy. I don't know who all's been watching them, but yeah, I reckon say gold doesn't know what it wants to do. But we're gonna see what we can get. But I'm backing on my boy Jev. Jev, how you doing, bro?
I'm doing good, man. Excited to be here. How are you? How are you doing?
Nah, good brother, good. Just see what we can get on the market. But other than that, guys, I think we're gonna jump right into it. So yeah, obviously let's start off with the fundamental side of things. So obviously, if we look at fundamentals, guys, we have got CAD news that came out now at 2:30, coming out lower basically across the board. The trim, medium, and the CPI, all coming out lower. And then the building permits also coming out lower for the dollar, but now we've got industrial production month on month coming out now in 7 minutes. So good thing they'll basically be done just before market open, and then we'll have our 15-minute shuffle as well, so they'll be pretty priced in for that. And then that is pretty much us. Obviously, FMC member Barkin speaks tonight. But other than that, guys, it would just be the charts. So, all right, let's start off with dollar. Before we even get into it, guys, let's just run through the chat quickly. Let's welcome everyone in here. We've got Slashy in the bottom with us, Steve, Valentine, Muzamil, Liesel, HW, Franco, Delano, WSTNO, Lyndon, QQ, Anna D, Fabio, Sondre, Dorian, Nolan, Dylan Hansen, Champ, Beverhouse, Mastery, Sam N, and Persistent AB, Kairos, John Lee Note, our funded trader. And then we've got Peter Murray, Monkey, Zar, and Motive Hub. Welcome, guys. Always good having you guys here with us. But let's just jump in. We can not really much we're going to be looking at today. So let's just see. Dollar, we are obviously very quite bullish, guys. We said yesterday, if you were here with us, we were looking at this 106 psychological level. Again, traded up, hit it this morning. And then basically this morning just being literally reacting off of it. As I said, guys, we have reacted, but this can be a pullback. We are still bullish. We haven't taken out any lows to have been switching around yet, so we are still bullish. Can literally just be a pullback similar to this over here, and then continuation. So we are just going to watch if we can get that breakthrough and continue higher over there on the lower time frames. Obviously, we literally traded down from this morning, as we said, coming for those Asia lows that were untested, sweeping Asia lows, and now going back into the Asia range. Getting our daily pivots and now trading back up. So we're going to monitor just what happens over there for us. So let's go over to NAS. NAS also, we are still very much bearish, guys. But I said to you, obviously, what I like now is this support has turned rejection with our daily close very far under. So now, not only do we have this as our rejection zone, we've also got our weekly supply turned rejection. So that we're going to keep an eye out for. On the 4 hour, we're going to look at something over here. Trading down again, break of structure to the top side. So maybe we do get that pullback now in the start of the session to basically go down, get that weekly supply. Our daily pivot is literally there on that resistance zone now. So again, all we're going to see if we have tested Asia lows, break out from Asia highs, holding Asia highs. Can we hold Asia highs, trade up to the weekly supply, see if that has turned resistance and can hold. Otherwise, we'll look forward to hit this zone, test daily pivot, and from there sell off to continue lower. So we'll just see what happens over there. US 30, very much bearish. Obviously turning around yesterday, we were bearish again, coming up, testing that weekly pivot, holding that as resistance and turning around, going all the way to the downside. We got our daily key level of 37,484 still untested, so we obviously want to see that being traded into. Very much what happened over here. We can just have our consolidation, breakaway, pullback, breakaway. This morning, pullback and breakaway. So all we've done now, again, guys, Asia lows untested, as you can see over there. We've traded one way, going up the whole morning, getting our daily pivot, our EQ. Now, if we can start getting something like that, breaking back under the daily pivot, all the way back into the Asia range, we're going to go take those Asia lows and go for the daily key level and possibly even lower. So that's what we're going to see over there. And then over to gold. Gold, we're just going to see over here, guys. Very simple one. Simple on what we're looking for, but it's very much a tricky one, if we're going to call it that. So we are still very much over here, but we are starting to lean bearish now. Again, purely because of a little bit of rejection and seeing what the DXY has been doing. So on the 4 hour, we can see this over here. We traded up, hitting this daily weekly resistance, coming all the way back down, testing this zone of support over here, which held for us, coming all the way back up. So I said to the guys, this was our initial entry point, but we were tapped in this morning very, very early, so that's why we didn't get in on that point over there. But if you had to go look here, if you take it from basically the high of our resistance point to the low where we found support to turn around, you'd lined up exactly also to a 61 fib level, for perfect for retracements and flip. So again, now into the 30 minute, you can see obviously we traded back in. What happened? We obviously held that zone. That would have been your entry, coming back down, setting your Asia lows, setting Asia highs, then rejecting, failing to go low but failing to break the highs, and then obviously I melt away in the morning session, coming all the way back down to the support, and now turning back up to go make this little area of resistance we found over here. So again, on the 1 hour, you can see this quite clearly over there, pulls across from this zone over here. Also, you're wicked in over there and then carrying over. So we can see where this zone comes across. There's a little intraday level. Now we just want to see what holds here. But the thing for me is what makes it this is very, very messy, guys. We are seeing this basically chop up and down. Lots of wicks on the top of it. Big candle to the top side, then right back down. It's not holding its support. It's not holding its resistance. And that is where this becomes very, very messy for us. You can see this holding as we slowly are chopping away to break back to the top side. But if DXY is coming back like it is now, very good chance you have this thing break away to come take out this support level at the bottom here with our daily pivot and continue even lower. So again, personally, I am bearish. I would prefer the sells, but we're just going to have to see what we can get alright. But other than that, guys, that is everything from my side. Jev, what are you looking at, brother?
So from my side, I want to see DXY trade up towards a daily high more or less. We have that little fair value gap there as well as a supply zone. Once we tap into that, I want to start seeing price start heading down towards the downside. And then once we can take out this midpoint more or less from yesterday's New York session, we do have a demand zone down there as well as our daily S1. So I want to see DXY come down to that level so we can look to buy some USD base. Let's move on to Swiss franc. Now, what I like about this pair, what I don't like about this pair is the fact that we're still consolidating while DXY is moving. So same thing, hoping that DXY can push up, have price break through these levels into the supply zone over here at the most extreme point. However, also, if we can just take out this long on liquidity and we have some sort of pattern, meaning price tap into that supply zone, change of character for fair value gap, then we might even look to short on USD Swiss franc. USD yen, still very similar. I can't look for any sells on this as yet. I am marking it out though, but I'm heavy bullish. I want to see price sweep yesterday's New York lows, tap into this zone down here at 153.750, and then continue to trend towards the upside. Euro USD, we can see over here as well, price hasn't tested yesterday's New York highs as yet. I want to see price tap into that zone. We have two supply zones here. Actually, we have this zone and we have this zone over here. Now initially you'll see on the 3 minute or the 1 minute, price has tapped into that zone, but usually I want to see one more sweep above that level to actually see price take out that high, and then hopefully from there we can have a change of character, displacement, and potentially sell to the downside. Alternatively, because we're looking for sells on DXY, if price can just head down towards this morning's alone liquidity, potentially either sweep this and at the Asian lows potentially look for longs. Alternatively, if they take out the daily low, we have a demand zone down here and take our buys from this level. GBP USD, I want to see price trade down towards this demand level at 1.24150 more or less. Once we can tap into this level, look for a buy. Very simple. GBP yen, we have tapped into a supply zone. It's just currently it's very conflicting. However, also very similar, I want to look for longs once price can get towards the low of the day. We have tapped into this a supply zone, so potentially we might even get a sell here if we can get a change of character. Initially, here's that first tap in and here's that sweep. But before we can look to short it, we would have to see price trade below this level to actually form that change of character and leave us with a fair value gap. CAD yen, I'm looking for longs. I want to see price come to 11.1 111.750 more or less. Tap into that demand zone and trade back towards this unmitigated supply zone. Euro yen, also looking for longs. I want to see price come down towards the Asian low more or less by taking out the London liquidity over here. And then also Chef yen, I'm also looking for longs on this. If we can just see price take out these London lows as well, tap into this demand zone, look for longs. USD currently will have to wait on it. If we can also come to the Asian low, I might look for longs. But alternatively, if price can trade up towards that zone of yesterday where we missed our sell, I would look for shorts from there as well. And then Nasdaq, we missed this trade this morning, but I want to see price trade back down towards these levels into this demand zone down here, and then potentially look for longs. And then gold as well. I want to see gold trade down towards. I want to see gold come down to 23.30 to potentially look for longs. Alternatively, if we can get to 23.85 to more or less 23.87.5, I will potentially look for shorts on gold to push price down towards that 23.30 level, and then look for that longs. And then on oil, we have a demand zone near the S1. So once price can get to that level as well, we'll look for our long positions.
Is that everything, brother?
That is everything.
Alrighty, there you guys go. Yeah, another quick one, guys. Where's everyone asking about EU? Sorry for it's the guys who are already in the trade now. Please use holding sells to buy. Did you give an EU signal?
No.
None of us took an EU signal, guys. So I don't know what EU trade this is all that you are all in. We're not in any EU trade. We don't trade EU now, so yeah, I don't know where this is coming from. That all you guys, Javito and Luke, whatever, where you guys are in the EU position. Woodsy, afternoon chat, what's up? I took a few bars on EuroCAD. Me and Jeff on the same wavelength today. Ooh.
Smack the market in.
The SMC traders come together. But yeah, what is it now? We are going 20 past, so 10 minutes till market open. Let's just see here quickly. When does that news come out? Quarter past, so it should have come out already. 3:15. Alright, well, don't have to worry about that then. Basically a non-event, that'll do much. Yeah. So we'll just carry on with life. Let's see. I got a buy limit on EU. Awesome. Jeff drinking Powerade now. Hey. But yeah, guys. Again, big shout out to you guys. 7K, baby. Road to 10K, 7K. We are 70% there. So nearly there, guys. Maybe the EU on the morning by Chris. I'm not sure what's up. Chris hit TP. Yeah, but that was EJ. That wasn't EU. Yeah, that was EJ we were in this morning. So we're just gonna wait for market open, guys. See what we can get out here from the charts. Yo, gold is choppy, oh my word. Oh my bad, yo EJ. No stress. But yeah, that was EJ. But yeah, guys, again, big shout out to all you guys. Thanks for the love, the support. If you guys haven't, please just drop a like, a sub, help the channel grow. As we said, we're on the road to 10K. So it will be very, very awesome. If you guys can, let's help us get there, baby. And let's see. As I said, we got a few minutes till market open. Powell speaks today at noon in the US. Maybe that's what gold is waiting for. 100 definitely could be. 10K soon, gang. Yeah, 10K around the corner. We're gonna get there, guys. Big plans for 10K. Some massive events, giveaways. It's gonna be awesome. Actually, hey guys, YouTube recommended your channel today during London session, and I subscribed so far today. Any subscribed today, and family accept me to this community. 100%, bro. You are in this community, bro. You are, yeah, my man. The Peach Army will always take on you guys. Banging playlist. Do you think gold can jump to Asia highs after the tap of the daily? So genre, if we break back into the Asia range, 100% we're going for Asia highs, and this resistance over here at 23.91. On the 4 hour, you'll see we basically just bouncing between these two main ranges. That's what we bouncing between. So at this point in time, so if you look at it this way, technically we broke, tested this. We came all the way down, tested this. Now we should go back up to it. And eventually, every time you keep hitting one of them, one's going to just break. So on theory of that whole zone trading, we should be going up, which means we'll go back to this zone. So we'll see what happens. Tap of the daily key level plus daily plus monthly R2. Ooh. Welcome, Forex Guru. How's it, gents? What's up? What's up? Gold blues. That's it. What's up, guys? So we're gonna see what happens here. DXY, we just need to come to the party. DXY obviously going from strength to strength, and our indices getting weaker. So gold just gonna be a bit of a tricky one today. Yeah, no, Vince. Mohammed, we did it earlier, bro. If you were late, just go back to the start of the stream. You'll see the analysis. So Keegs told me Chris completely quit the vape. Yeah, bro. He hasn't touched the vape so far. So yeah, literally hasn't done it yet. And Jev just replaced one energy drink for another one. That's what he did.
Hey, come on. I stopped doing things at once. And I'll be honest, I looked for juice. This is the closest thing I could get to juice where I come from. I wasn't at the shops, I was the buy.
Yeah, and also Jeff, you gotta go sign up at the gym, bro.
Wait, what? Say it again?
Yeah, you gotta go sign up at the gym.
Yeah, we can do that. You and Ed must just tell me when the first okay, I'll be fair. I'll be fair about this. Can we start working out next week?
Well, we definitely get, bro. My back is chalked.
Yeah, let me just sort out all my things this week because yeah. So Rush, we just decided to stop. Do you know how I'm itching for? But yeah, what can we do?
Just forgot. I even searched for you on Insta, Facebook, TikTok, Mestizo, just to apologize, brother. Yeah, no, Vince, you chalked that, man, so quick this morning, bro. Lost my eyes, you haven't. Jeff, you already have, no, Jeff's fine. Jeff's just moving and stuff, so he's busy. Fabio, I'm the one with my back screwed, bro. It's literally going from worse to worse. What was it? Hold on, Chad. You guys just told me this morning there was something I mistake for my back with a C. What the hell was that? I forgot what it was called. All of you are telling me the same thing. What was that called again? I'm gonna go try get now after stream. I found horrible keys. Just that you stopped, you'll see. Cataflam, there we go. Coke. Yeah, to you guys. Yeah, perfect, guys. I'll go. Yeah, to Jason.
Yeah, Ed, I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, gonna be my passion project. Gotta add 10 kgs to him. Yeah, we're gonna turn Jev into a power lifter.
We won't only lift weights, and also lift these markets.
My car is opening on Friday. Bro, if this Cataflam doesn't get better, I promise you by Thursday, I'm booking it for Friday then. Best anti-inflammatory brew. Use that and apply ice often. Trust me. No, I definitely will, bro. GJ sells from your level, Jeff. I entered at 192760.
But the thing is, you're selling it based off no confirmation. But okay, if you wanna flip a coin, it's okay. And I'm joking. But there's no confirmation for me yet.
Jack Daddy Jeff lifting cases of Red Bull. Yeah.
don't
flame.
don't tempt me by mentioning things like that to me. I'm really.
Bro, we already said. I don't know if you guys saw that meme.
I stopped. You guys must think about it. I stopped smoking cigarettes. I stopped smoking vape. I'm stopping energy drinks, cokes. It's a lot at once. It's a lot at once.
Yeah, Chris and I already said we're gonna hold each other accountable. So we're gonna be that person. Like, if you've seen that meme, Chad, where if we walk in and Jeff's sipping on a flippin' Red Bull or something, we're gonna walk up to him and just smack it out his hand. Like, bitch, what you doing? No to Red Bull. Make a mess all over the office, but Calastine, red light, and back to Ice Keeks. Okay, perfect. No, guys, I definitely will. Just warned you guys, it's going down the drain. Kiyosh, what's going down the drain, bro? Oh, never mind. Oh, no, I'm with you, bro. I'm with you. Forex factory is down. Oh, okay, well, sure. Well, that makes sense. Life-changing stuff, Jeff. Yeah. Yeah, bro, we see Red Bull in this off. I'm the only one that's allowed, and I don't drink Red Bull. I drink Monster. So, I'm going to come slurp it there next to Jeff.
Nah, you can do it. You can do it. I don't like Monster. I won't get tempted.
UG's making my day. Hey, Major. That's good, brother. Monster Army, yeah, bro. Like, I either just have the white one, the zero, or I have the, I must say, like, yes, I'm a Lewis fan, but the new Lewis Hamilton one it slaps, bro.
I'll be right back.
Slaps. I entered sales in US 30, 38020 and holding. I'm not going to say you're wrong, bro. You could, purely because you're rejecting the EQ. Not a pure rejection yet, but there is maybe something there. Taking it off of that, you've obviously also got the structure of these lows over there, which you're going to be breaking under. So I'm not going to say it's a bad play, but I probably personally would have only taken it under this. But yeah, I hope it plays out, bro. I hope it plays out. I love the peach one. Oh, it's just so good. Is Monster really that much healthier than Red Bull? I'm actually not sure health-wise, bro. I'm not sure. Have you tried the rehabs? No, I haven't. I love the peach one. DXY dropping. We're gonna have to deal with Jev's withdrawal. Yeah, no, guys. Yeah, I think that's gonna get entertaining. There we go. There goes gold. So let's see if gold, what it does now back at this Asia range. Busy having a Red Bull and a smoke now. Jeff would be in heaven. Carl. Green original all the way, then yellow or peach recovery. Keegs is US 30 at monthly S2. Just want to know if marked my pivots correctly. US 30 monthly S2. Yes, it is, Vince. That's correct, bro. That's correct, brother. I'm obsessed with Switch. Switch isn't bad, bro. It's just, I don't know. It doesn't do it for me. That's all. Like, I'll drink it, but yeah, it just doesn't do it for me. Health-wise, just drink water. Does gold 30 mechanical look like liquidity grab to go continue up? We'll look at that quickly. Market's open, guys, so let's see what happens. Blue Monster all the way. Gold spikes as DXY drops. Inverse correlation between those pairs. DXY equals yes, Mr. Ezo, they are meant to be inverse. It's obviously, as you'll see where it's called XAU USD, so it is gold versus the dollar. Ding ding ding. Can we go over NDX, please? What else? NDX oil.
NDX. Isn't that NASDAQ?
I don't know. Well, if it's NASDAQ, cast, we've already gone over it, brother. Just go back to the start of the stream. You'll see the analysis on NASDAQ then. Clapping them like this. So index equals NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ we've gone over already, bro. I only know Nasdaq as like Nas and US Tech. Lol, daily bearish. Pixel, which pair, bro? Which pair are you talking about? Gold. Yeah, we are bearish on gold. One J, you know what? You can't decide there's one better than the other. Yeah. Keys, transact patches also help with the pay. Yeah, that I definitely will. I actually have some at home still. I don't know. Is it just me, guys? I love the smell of those transact plasters. They're just that like, they almost smell fresh, like minty. That's proper facts, bro. But OG always just hits me right. Switched my life. Hey, Vince. That's like a dad joke there, bro. Alright, so we're gonna see what happens in 15-minute shuffle, and then we're gonna see what we can jump into, guys. Lord, come here and give me credit. And then plus have a nostalgic feel, high school sport, literally. 200 watching, but only 50 odd likes. Come on, peeps, we can do better than that. It's my highlight. Hey, there we go. Also do lots of glute stretching when I have my issues. My car always says the glutes are a big factor for the lower back pain and they become tight. Yeah, that is a thing. I remember that in rugby. Where would you guys say is the best place to learn Nasdaq, PSI, and trade gold? Cars, you obviously just gotta go back there to yourself, bro. So again, you have to get used to how the pair moves. Like for example, like my strategy, I'm mainly gold, but my strategy works on Nas, US 30. The guys have caught banger trades on those pairs with me as well. So it's not that the strategy needs to change, you just need to understand how to implement it on that pair. Come on, bro, Keegan, I sound like Jason now, bro. Lol, H Rattle. You should check review Rattle made. Bro, you know what I want to actually go check though? I want to go watch Rolio's podcast with S&R. I think it's up today. Let's just look at quickly. I think it's up today. Yeah, 5 hours ago. That I want to go watch. Yo, Rolio about to hit 20k. Our boy Radel just hitting 50k, 49k. Gents are killing it. Yes, it's up as our keys. Hey there, what confirmation are we waiting for on gold? We're waiting for the 15-minute shuffle firstly, and then we're going to see what confirmations we'll get. Best chat on any stream, Strobe, hey, there's no one like the Peach Nation. Man made 2.3 million during COVID, these Oaks. I just want to see, I saw Rolio put in like the clickbait part of it. Obviously about that post of his where he made 20 million in one post. I just want to see him finally answer that. No hate, SNR. If you're on, yeah, brother. No hate. I just want to see the answer to that, bro. No words for that interview. Hey, have you guys already watched it? I watched the SNR podcast. He says his highest win on one trade was around 18 million. Yeah. Hey, Chad, what do you mean by 15-minute shuffle? Kairos is literally the first 15 minutes after the markets open. Nation's finest, baby. So market open Nas hasn't done anything really. US 30 is starting to sell off, looking actually very, very nice. That would be breaking under that zone now, if I'm correct. Cows went for the first move in the open because of volatility. Yeah, like that's exactly why, guys. Cows, so you're new, bro. Welcome. Please like and subscribe. Apologies in advance if you already have done so. 80 mil. G's. SA traders are giving the Donald Trumps of the world a run for their money. Yeah. Again, guys, this isn't hate. But my thing is, if you making 20 million in one trade in one day, bro, there's got to be something that shows for it. You got to be living minimum a house that's like 15 mil, 20 mil house. You're going to have a car collection. And I mean a car collection, not just a Polo. Like you're going to have some crazy stuff. Like if you're doing millions a day type of vibe.
And the guys go, oh no, I'm humble.
So like I said, I no hate on the guy, but you get what I'm saying. That's why I always said, bro, like I'm not gonna go dive into that. But for example, in Alex G, for the money he says he makes, the lifestyle backs it up. If you got someone like Q Banks, the money they say they make, the lifestyle backs it up. Someone like Lambo Raul, the money they say they make, the lifestyle backs it up. Like you get what I'm saying. So you got guys that are saying they make the same amount of money that those guys make, but look at the difference in lifestyles. So yeah, it's always just that's literally the first thing I say, bro. Lifestyle, you cannot hide lifestyle. You can't. Like my thing is, bro, if I had a Ferrari parked outside, it's not a case of being humble, but trust me, somewhere on one of my socials you're gonna see that Ferrari. Somewhere you're gonna see it. And not to brag, but it's an achievement. If I have a Lambo, like you're gonna see it somewhere. Lol, that's quite unrealistic of him, yeah. 80 million, someone's gonna have fun with you, yeah.
Yeah.
That's where do they care about your 250 rand per month signal fee? Bro, that's just another question. People always say, if you're making that type of money, why do you care about 250 rand a month signal fees? Yesterday looks good. 20 mil, damn, yeah. So that's what I say, guys. No hate. I know it's not pops in here a lot.
Rush, you probably eating nice day on GJ, ne? Yesterday. Insane.
GJ gone. I was in that cell. Keegan, during our Peach Nation Google meeting, us the OGs mentioned there, people got attacked to their lifestyles, and that's why the influencers don't like you guys. You guys are humble. Yeah. Bro, like, I've got my daily, I'm doing my stuff. At the moment, I'm not going to go buy, like, for example, a 1 million, 2 million rand car. And I'm still working to get my family a family home I want. So, like, the family home will come first. And when that's at the level I want, like the forever home, then I'll start flipping a bar on a car, 2 bar on a car, stuff like that. Like, it's just, bro, like, where's your priorities? If you're living in a 2.5 million rand car and you don't even have a property, like, where's your, like, morals and values then? Like, it just doesn't make sense. What, you're gonna raise your child in the back of your sports car? Like, what the hell? So, yeah, we might not get to make all the cool little Instagram videos and photos with the supercar, but we're getting there, and we're building it with our community. Lol, I trust your analysis, bro, Jev.
Yeah, I should have listened to you when you told me to.
In SNR's defense, bro meant 18 mil naira. That's what I think. Wait, what's naira?
Nigeria. I think it's Nigerian.
But he lives in South Africa.
Nah, it can't be naira then.
Yeah, he lives in South Africa. He lives in Cape Town.
Sure. Wait, I want to ask something. Who is SNR?
Andy. Andy Aronson.
Oh.
Yeah. Bro, I got 500 USD withdrawal during my beginner's luck phase. That time I walked into clicks, felt like I can buy anything on the shelves. My lifestyle changed in a few months, 100%. Missy's, like, guys, that's one thing I'll say. When I promise you, like, I think we actually spoke about this in my podcast in Top Trader. When it comes out for you guys, I changed my life. My life changed forever when I went full time as a trader. I was never making crazy amounts. I had months that were crazy, and again, not even close to the numbers these guys said. My life changed at literally making 60k a month. Like, realistically, in South Africa, if that's the type of money you're making monthly, and then sometimes bi-weekly, that's a big difference, bro. Like, your lifestyle can change a lot. You don't need to be making millions and 100,000, 300,000 a day. Like, that's rubbish, bro. It's unrealistic. Like, if you can be doing that, like, in a trader's world, that's small money. But that's honestly, like I always say to guys, I can show you the bank receipts, I can show you withdrawals, I can show you withdrawal certificates, I can show you all of that. That's the numbers I was doing. I was never doing hundreds, 300s, 400,000s. But that amount of money in SA was changed my lifestyle and my family's lifestyle for completely. So this whole thing of you have to flaunt these hundreds of thousands to be like these overseas influencers is absolutely rubbish.
And that's how they actually go broke.
Yeah. I think what most people don't understand is that take your profits at first and buy assets that can pay for your lifestyle you want. Mark, 100%, bro. 100%. Littlefield, I don't think we're against anyone that says it's just the authenticity of some of the statements that could be questionable since we are scammed hard before. 100%. True Keegan, yeah. Did news for JPY come out? I'm not sure, Ed. The guys did say Forex Factory is down. Hey, well, they're refreshed. But I'm not seeing anything, bro. No, I don't see anything on the terminal side of things either, so I don't think so, bro. I'm not sure. Facts keys. 60k a month in SA, your lifestyle can change keys. Even 40k, bro. 100%. It's like, guys, you have to say Oaks work their asses off, get degrees, all that type of stuff to make that type of money. Like, literally, I always say to guys, I'm sure Jean, if Jean's even in the chat, guy, if you doing 2 payments in a month back to back, 40 plus up, trust me, your bank account, your lifestyle, you're gonna see it change very, very quickly. And that's, like you said, just doing 40k. Alright, yeah, just fooling around. It's easy to make 200k on a day, but maintaining, that's the problem, yeah. Afternoon, G's and Chair. What's up, King Shack? Could be BOJ intervention, yeah. Whenever we had all-time highs or close to all-time highs, BOJ love to get involved. What happened on GJ? Jean Lee for sure. There we go, guys. The man can tell you as well himself. Few big withdrawals with prop firms, and your life can change very, very quickly. If you have a good job and do trading on the side, and even if you make 20, 30k on trading plus salary, you'll be smiling. Yeah, 100% Fobs. Full margin on NPC, but you can definitely make 200k if you ride. Trick getting lucky, yeah. I'm going full time if I make 10k X. Going to get there, grind, don't stop till the GT RS3. Yeah, bro, the GT3 is and the new ones, the new ones, those with the new wing, that just does it for me, 100% Keeks, that's the goal, and get more funding, yeah. If you're right, yeah. I just want to see what's happening on GBP JPY that you guys are all going on about it. Damn. Whoever was in Seoul, bro, please, at least tell me Asia Highs you closed. At least tell me Asia Highs you closed. Damn, guys. 15-minute shuffle is done and dusted. Let's see what we can get into now, guys. Time to get some powder wet here. Gold's been very, very tricky today, but let's see what we can do here. Oaks, I was in sales, yeah. First time Keys checks another page during NY sessions. Nice stream, G. Oh. Yeah, then you know, guys, you clearly got my attention on that pair. My TP was at 91 and 200. I'm not sure where that was, bro. So I don't know if that was Asia highs or not. But did you take TP then, or are you still in the trade? A guy from the name Etienne made me lol. Where is Etty? I haven't seen that man in the chat yet. Is he here? I haven't seen that man yet in the chat today. I know he was here this morning, if I'm correct. Hey, there's the big man. There's the big man, ladies and gents. I was going full margin on gold sales. Yeah, I'm looking at the gold sales here, guys. We just got to see what we can get here. Got to be very careful with this.
The market just usually threw everything out now.
Diesel SNR with a donor. Yeah, that is.
God, funny.
That's just guys. I mean, hey, if you're making 20 more, I mean, come on. You can at least give us 1%, guys. Yo. 1%. Just give us like 100k. Quick. 1%. You shouldn't even feel that. That's just like an extra pip you have to hold in the trade.
So Sia, I'm waiting for USDT and Nasdaq and gold to see if we can potentially get.
Yeah, King, I don't necessarily want the sells. At this point in time, I'm very much bearish because we basically in between these two zones. We've tested the highs, tested the lows, and now we basically smack bang in the middle. So, yeah, I wouldn't say the sells just look good because of the fact for me is DXY is moving, as we can see, where even though DXY, for example, had a point that got very weak, gold just couldn't get stronger. Gold grafted the whole day just to get back above here. So for me, my thing is just gold's battling. Like it's not looking strong. That's where my issue comes in here. So I'd love the buys, but it just looks like it's battling, bro. That's my issue with it. Facts, yeah. So that's what I said, bro. I definitely, it's very much neutral, but there's just something in my gut the way DXY is moving, but gold, the way DXY moved, bro, like this type of momentum down, gold should have flipping done more than this coming back up. Been holding gold bar from 23.45. 23.45. Yes, sis. Yeah, bro. You smiling. I really might take a sell here though, guys.
Table no withdrawal symptoms yet. But when I make a withdrawal, I will definitely show some symptoms on my story.
Yo, guys, we're gonna have to get Michaela's number just so we can send her a message in the evening just to check out that Jeff isn't having a smoke or a Red
Oh my
Bull.
word, you guys should already hear what she told me about dinner tonight. It's like, she's like, quote unquote, because you're healthy now. And I was like, let's see how we feel later on.
Nah, Jason, not against it at all, bro. I always said to people, put it this way, like, you want to grow your account, your prop firm portfolio, but at the same time, what you should do is at least, like, the idea is eventually to have a personal fund account that can match your prop firm account. Does that make sense? That should be your end goal. So let's just say if you trade $100K account, the end goal should be to have $100K personal funds dollar account. Does that make sense? It's just more for guys that are, we always say, like, for me, for example, I could never fund the type of money I needed to. As I said, I worked in a bar, I was doing things like this, so I saved up to eventually get the accounts I had, did the prop firms, and then I was able to make payouts way bigger than what I initially would be able to myself. And that's what changed my life. So I just say for guys that aren't these full-time traders, the guys that don't have that type of access to capital, I really do believe in them, because it gives you, it closes that gap of the capital issue. So I do believe in it, but yeah, the idea is always to go full-time, your own capital. That will always be the end goal. True that. Use your prop firm account to fund your personal account. Yeah. So a lot of guys I know personally who at the time we were all very big in the prop firm industry. When these prop firms started going out with already my Forex funds, TFT, all them going down, I can tell you now, a lot of these guys, when they do payouts from any prop firms they have now, minimum 50% of that payout goes into a personal account. So if for whatever day prop firms disappear, you've got that nice big cushion of a personal account. How's healthy now, gang? Yeah. Use your prop. Yeah. The reel you posted was perfect. It's not a trading issue, it's a funding issue. 100% King Shaq. If this can close the video, guys, I'm going to take a shot at it. So. Prop firms also have a way less risk. You can blow a 10K on a prop and have literally lost zero actual cash. Yeah, 100%. And I always said, prop firms do teach you account management, because you have to have risk management. You learn how to run an account. So yeah, I am a very big advocate for prop firms. My only issue, some oaks take. Oh yeah. Some oaks take like 20 tries to get a prop account, which is such a waste, yeah. But that's what's my thing. Like I always say to guys, if you, yes, just don't run now. If you are very, very aggressive, and you can afford to just go through accounts like that, by all means, trade aggressive, do that type of style. But if you aren't someone, trade a lot more preservative, stuff like that. Because if you save up for so long, get an account, and you blow it in 2 days, then you're an idiot. And then you have to save up 2 months to get another one, and so forth. But if you can afford to buy like 3, for example, in a month, trade aggressive with them then, by all means. So yeah, I think it's just very relative to your style and your financial situation, how you treat your prop firm accounts. Just subscribe, Dance, Data Lab, awesome bro, glad to have you here. Keys, did you manually start off with gold? Right when you did your challenges? Funny enough, I actually was more, so when I traded personally, I was always US30 and NASDAQ, literally just indices. Then when I started prop firms, I dabbled in gold a little bit, very, very little bit, because it was still very volatile, and I was very like nurturing my accounts. Lol, I just got break even. Yeah, I wanted to sell, yeah, guys, but this thing's just running. So we might just take it at the lows, yeah, then. But as I was saying, yeah, so when I actually started prop firms, I literally actually really only traded currency pairs, funny enough. Any time of the day, stuff like that, but currency pairs. And then as I got more confident, I moved over to gold. How do you know when you're ready to do a prop firm? That's up to you. That is, I just say to guys, don't go trading prop firms if you don't even know how to run MetaTrader, if you don't know how if you don't understand, if you have to go read the rules and don't understand what the rules mean, stuff like that, I suggest learn a bit more, learn your lingo, learn a little bit more about trading before you do it then. But other than that, it's up to you when you think you're ready, when you rather take that risk of personal money off the table. USD sales inbound, yeah, made 20k in a month through prop firms, but I got too cocky and blew it. Yeah, what size prop account do you guys what size prop accounts do you get in the beginning? That's, again, it's up to you, bro. Again, I think financial situation, what you're okay with. I personally never went like that small. It just doesn't make sense to me. But again, that's just me. I always say to people, when the idea that prop firms were there to change my lifestyle and everything. If I'm trading a $5,000 account, a $5,000 account is not going to change my life. That's something I can make with my personal funds. Because again, basically 1% is $50. I can make $50 on a personal account anyway, a trade a day type of vibe. So I personally was like, I needed to do accounts where even 1% is a good day on what I wouldn't have done with a personal account. So at the time when I was always trading like $50K accounts. Then I did 100, 200Ks, and so forth. So it's relevant again to you. But again, that's just my style and how my mind works. Gold took so much of my personal funds. I better track record on currencies. This is why I only trade gold on demo now. The other's chilled. Keegs, I'm in sell. Suggested TP on gold. Still hold, bro. If we can break through this support now, this thing's running, bro. Running. 23.48.
Push price to me.
Oh, Jeff, don't say that again, bro. Don't. Yo, thanks for the help. I got the account and appreciate the quick response. Awesome, bro. Glad you got sorted there, Francois. People who complain about prop firms don't get that everything you have advantage, disadvantage. It's just how you manage the situation exactly. In my opinion, with prop firm challenges, start as small as possible, spend as little as possible, and if you can pass the smallest account, you can pass the biggest. Yeah, Warren, that's mindset. So yeah, I do agree with that. Keeks, running facts here, baby. Yeah, when is Top Trader releasing your pod, Keeks? Bro, I'm not sure. I know just Chris is first. So I know Chris is first and I'm last. So yeah, whenever Chris comes out, then you know the next week it is me. So maybe, I don't know, maybe Chris is literally tomorrow, because I know the Top Trader podcast coming on a Wednesday. So it either might be tomorrow or might be the next week. I don't know, but it should be soon, because they were saying the ones from their Cape Town trip are coming out in May. And the reason there's a backlog now is, so literally Chris and my ones were literally the first ones on their new setup. So that's what they backlogged, but now they build it up. So when they start releasing again now, they literally release weekly, bang, 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 bang. So I think they're just building a little bit of a backlog before they just start that whole cycle again.
Are you guys ready for a signal?
Hey.
Yes, ready for a signal. Let's see.
Never mind, I took it on 23.65, all good. Keeks, I'm sure 60k funded account is alright to start off with, 100%. Hey Keeks and Jevo, what's up? How big was your personal account when you started doing prop firm challenges? So when I started with prop firms, obviously a big part of my focus was there. So when I was doing personal on the side, then it was more like I was just flipping accounts on the side for a little bit of money while I was doing challenges. So I would literally be doing like, I'd deposit 500 Rand, flip a 500 Rand to like 4,000 Rand, withdraw. And just keep doing that in between. I wasn't really funding accounts when I was doing those challenges, because I was putting all my attention to the challenges. Naslon's in good. How's Matizio? This is why the community is so awesome. The knowledge we get is incredible. No other vids are doing this. 100%, bro. It's all honesty here. I'm not gonna lie, tell you guys something else, and maybe tell you some sob story to make it sound like all motivational, but like I'll rather tell you the truth. Like that's how I did things. That was what worked for me, and just be honest with you guys. Jeff gonna say buy gold. Yeah, guys, don't listen to Jeff. We sat in here.
Why are you guys being negative? Nah, we're not looking at gold, guys.
Ready, boys. What's your TP on gold? Mine is 23.51. As I say, guys, if this thing sells off, if we can break the support, 23.48 would be my TP on gold. The OG way to trade, baby. Glow or blow, Van Dijk. Yeah, bro, that's the thing. Han will tell you, bro. So when I started even doing funded at the time, again, I was personal trading. That's when I met Han. And Han will tell you, bro, I would be in like a trade. $500 was the deposit, and I'd come to the gym and I'd be like, yo, bro, I'm holding this thing, and I'd be like up 10k, and Hans is like, bro, you're up 10k from $500, just close the freaking trade. So yeah, again, there's all these guys, they're witnesses to how I was trading in the beginning and stuff like that. Where you from? What is the small prop you can buy? I think with the Vault Funder, the smallest ones are 140k ZAR.
60k.
60k ZAR, and then 5k dollar is the smallest ones.
Yeah, you can see Keegan only trades big money. Doesn't care about the.
Yesterday I got my first funded challenge. Personally, I decided to go with the 140k account. Best bang for your buck, in my opinion. Okay, that's awesome, bro. Kill it, my man. Hi, what's up, brother? Yeah. What leverage were you using, Keegs, at that time? When I was doing the 500 to the 500 to 10k, with that. At the time, and that's the funny story, at that time I was even trading with Vault back in the day then, because I was trading, as I said, I only traded indices then, and I was using the Vault 250 bonus account. So I don't know what the exact leverage on that is, but I was using the Vault 250 bonus account. Yes, when you were doing the 500, yeah, Marks, I hope that answers you, bro. You can go check it. I'm not sure what the exact leverage is, but I think it's 1 to 500 or 1 to 500 or 1 to 1. I don't know, but it's the bonus 250 account. So how much does it cost to instantly buy the challenge? Monkey, I'm not sure, bro. Just go look on the website. Looking at blues and smiles, brother. What lot size do you recommend for 5k USD funded? Zach, bro, the thing is, I don't say use a set lot size. There's times I do it, and that's because I know a relatively good amount for that account size, and that's just trading very aggressive. Guys like newbies, I wouldn't recommend that. Use a pip size calculator, because obviously the lot is going to say, like, if I enter, let's just say I enter along here, and I am running let's even just say there, a 30 pip stop to risk, let's say, 1,000 rand. In that 30 pip, I will have a certain lot size. But if I want to run 60 pip stop, obviously the lot size will be different. So yeah, the lot size, get yourself a lot size calculator, and then work it out according to how big your stop loss is. Gold, come on, thanks, bro. Answers me. I think it's a 1 to 5. Yeah, I think it's a 1 to 500. I'm pretty sure it is, but yeah, don't quote me on it. Depends on what you're asking. Stop size, size versus amount you want to risk. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, guys, as I said, I'm really looking to take something. Was it King Shack that said Nas Long's looking good? I do agree with you, brother. US 30, I still want to sell. Whoever it was this morning or the start of the session asked me about the sells literally over here, the 38.24. You are smiling, brother. Very good move. I said just hold it. If this thing gets down to Asia highs, just look there, because if you start rejecting, you can close out. But again, we are bearish, so look for that break, continuation. Asia lows untested, nice and weak, and then look for the continuation down to that key level we still have untested. So the sell is looking very, very good on US30. Keep still waiting on the gold sell. I am, guys. As I said, I'm rather going to take it there now. I wanted it over here, but it ran a bit too much for me, so I'm going to wait for a retest and see if we can take it then. I want to sell over here, but if we have a pullback, I'll try look here. But again, we are back in this mess over here. So again, it's just been a little bit up and down, but patient. But again, with this type of volatility, we got to just be a bit patient, guys.
Oh, Millennial FX is here. What's up, Miles? Oh, this man's been milking the market.
There's Miles. My G is dropping to show some love. More of these marks today.
Jeff, look behind you. I'm so confused. Warren saw that. I was acting like I thought no one saw that.
Oh yeah. What's up, Miles? Though my boy, absolutely killing the markets. Great to see you, brother. Guys, again, also go check out Miles if you haven't yet. Another fellow PE brother of ours. Man's also live streaming and absolutely killing it. I know, Miles, I hope I'm not jinxing you, but I think so far, unless you took one maybe yesterday or today, but man literally has 100% win rate so far for April. Absolutely killing the market, so big ups to you, brother. Keep up the good work.
Nah, you got me good, Miles. You got me good.
What realistic profit expectations you recommend me from 10k funded accounts per day? So the thing is, guys, I always say to guys, don't set yourself a goal per day. Maybe try to set yourself a goal weekly. Purely because not every single day is a trading day, and that's just the truth. If you're gonna try force something, that's when you make mistakes and you possibly lose. So, and again, anything crazy, I'd probably even say like $300 a week. I know it doesn't sound a lot. That's 3% a week, and when you start looking at it that way, then like that's 4 weeks. You literally send $1,200 up by the end of a month. So it's not. It sounds aggressive as a prop firm. I wouldn't aim for those numbers, but if you want like statistical, I would say that's a good amount to go for. Gold, please, sir. Entry buy. I'm not wanting to buy. I'm actually wanting to sell. So unfortunately, I'm sorry if you're in sells or in buys. I've been in sells on USD since 1392. Awesome, TJ, bro. I saw you. That was flat. You know what's gonna happen, but couldn't help it. This was hilarious, JV. Just like it. I was just dealing with his vape. My boy so far hasn't touched one.
I don't trust him in multi-gear.
Yeah, I don't see a vape there with him. They're discussing something. 1,200 is good if you spend $60 on the account. Yeah, guys, it's like think about that risk to investment. So your ROI on the account. Does Vault Funder have all the futures available? So Quibus, when you say all the futures, what are you referring to exactly, bro? If he says today he has to go early, then you know. Jeff, how much had to do it, Jeff? Much love, boys. Yeah, 100% win rate for April, 87% for the year, 19 trade win streak, running all time at the moment. All called live on YouTube. Let's not jinx it though. Losses do occur. Yeah, bro. They're part of the plan. They're gonna come. As you always say, we plan to have, for example, a 70% win rate, but that obviously means there's only 3 losses. So that's part of it. But again, bro, keep killing it. I think I'm not gonna try to jinx it. We've all having actually a killer moment so far in April. So yeah, let's just hope the markets carry on doing what they're doing for us.
Good to show you my skin and geeks.
Oh, Jim's got a trade, guys. Hope you're ready for this one.
Okay, let's just wait for this 1 minute candle to close. If we can just have closure in the zone or just slightly below it. Oh shit, don't move without us. Okay, just hold on, guys. Just hold on. Not into it.
What? How do you pass Vault Funder if you can? Please give a bit info. Francois, just maybe just try and retype that message, bro. I'm not exactly sure what you're trying to ask, bro. Yo, my bro, that vape looking spicy. Let me get a techie there. There's just a quick one. No one has. Hey, yeah, I appreciate it, brothers. You guys are doing well. Keep pushing, 100%, bro. I think we might even definitely have to arrange a little part 2, maybe a follow up, maybe around about June, a Q2 follow up with Miles on the pod, guys. Today is Big Daddy Powell Day. I ain't trading, just vibes now. Yeah, say it again, but say it in English.
Okay, guys, just want to see a retest of this level. Once price taps there, I'll take that sell. Stop 27 pips.
Also, guys, what do you think of our new little transition screen, eh?
Yeah, there we go. There we go. We are in. We are in.
I'm in for that, Keegs. Hey, there we go, brother. We'll be keen. But also, bro, Flip, we even just need to go catch up for like a lunch or something, my man. But we'll definitely make a plan soon, brother. Maybe you, me, Jabba, all of us, we can go out for like a lunch, bro. Go catch up. Fire transition, yeah. Nasol. What are you selling, Jeff?
Nasdaq.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, Vince, he's selling Nas. Let's do it. Hey, yeah, we'll chat about it, bro. He's going to who's liquidity.
TP at this level down here. This little on your 1 minute chart, you should be able to see it. The last low, which price lift, this last count before the up move. That's our target. Nothing too big today.
What time frame you on, Jeff?
5 minute now.
Okay, what time frame were you on?
1 minute.
Oh, bro. Yeah, your things always look cock big, and I'm like, oh yeah, it's on a 1 minute. Like,
It's all about perspective.
yes. Like when I see your TV's like off the screen, bro, I'm like, yes. Where's this man swinging this thing to?
Genre TP is the three right there on the screen.
Like most of the popular future contracts like coffee, cocoa, they should be, bro. I honestly can't give you an answer. I've never even looked into that. But they should be. I mentioned when the first one happened, but I don't think you saw it. Okay. Where's Jiv's tip? Quibus, I'm not sure, bro. Your best bet is literally just ask the support, bro. They'll be able to answer the question for you. Support at volsfunder.trade. They'll be able to answer the question. I'm not gonna lie and give you an answer. I actually don't know the answer to that. Or even ask Chris. Chris will be able to answer it for you. Jev using perspective to his advantage. Just kidding. Much love, Jevy. That sounds so funny. The man wants to trade coffee and cocoa. Hi guys, Millennial. What is your handle on YouTube? It is Millennial FX. Literally his name. That's his handle. That is his YouTube channel, guys, that he's talking on. So just click on his thing and you'd be able to go to it. I mean, there's bars. Ooh. It's Jev using perspective for his tip. Bro, that's the thing, Edgar. You forget, bro. It's all about perspective. Like some angles you look at it might look 6 inches, but you look at other, it's like 2 inches. It's just about perspective, Ed. All the thanks, is perfect, bro. Bro, that's what most of the other gurus do. They screenshot a 1 minute chart, stretch it to the maximum range to find it's like a 5-point move, 100%. Jeff Keegs a sip there, so it's just to get confirmation that it's not Red Bull.
I'm sipping this because I don't have a vape.
What is funny is the amount of money I made trading cocoa. That's crazy, bro. That is why I have a girlfriend with someone. Jeff, the time it is $1 Red Bull, it's a bar Red Bull.
Not really.
Head of the Chad, you're extra savage. IG's
what's Nasdaq
Peaches
doing
and
here?
Chad.
What's Nasdaq doing?
What time is Jev in the gym tonight? Dave, we gave him grace. The man is moving and stuff like that. So
Yeah,
we said that we can join from next week.
I have other stress right now.
Yeah, we're giving him grace.
Oh, am I gonna stop? Oh, I was kind of gonna close. Then I'm stopped out.
Is that already?
Yep.
Damn. My boy got a haircut there.
That was a quick one. That was a quick one.
In and out.
Quick one.
Bijna beter. See you later. Hey. Alright guys, that's why as I said, I'm waiting for gold. These markets are choppy, guys. Took advantage of the discount and bought 140k challenge today, up 1.7% so far. Gordon, that's awesome, bro. Keep smashing it, my man. Those shorts are too early. That's not a sweep. Those are equal highs. Just like it.
Okay.
Jeff, listen to Ada, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know how to equal highs when it broke the highs. So, but alright. US study, as I said, holding the 200 EMA. Papa Ada het gepraat. Stopped on Nas. Oh, Valentine. All good. Alright, guys. But we're going to bring it back over here to gold quickly. Just to show you guys what is cutting over here. So, again, no man's land. Basically, this zone, guys. We can't trade, yeah. We wanted the break. We couldn't get there. Now we in no man's land. So, very simple. Break below, sell. Break above, buy. Where we are, can't do anything. So, we are just waiting patiently.
Oh my word. Look at Nasdaq now going down.
Yeah, Jeff, that thing moved like 2 pips, and you'll be like, "Yeah, it's going down." Like the
It's
candles,
just
the
like
candles just flipping
it's just
bearish.
if we followed based on what we said with recently, with stops getting bigger, this still would have been in the trade. But you know, like Ada said, I was into early.
Yeah. Gold being boring right now. Yeah, it is. This is sweep now. We can look for sells on Nasdaq. Yeah. Check out that transition. Hey, it's looking a little filthy there, guys. A little clean transition like that. This week, I still haven't found a valid setup, all being invalidated, but we're patient. And Jeff drops his position on the leaderboard.
Aw, that sucks.
Did you take that on your live account?
Yep.
Jeff! Bro. Sorry, Chad. If Jeff comes here with a blue eye tomorrow. So this man was down on the account. Oh, he was up, he was down. He was up, he was down. He got up a lot. And we said, Jeff, leave. Wait for payout. Get your payout. Make the account risk free. Man trades it. Gets it down. Said, Jeff, you're still in profits. Leave the fucking account alone. Leave it alone. Now the man trade. Yes, Jeff.
But now I have to revenge trade now. I have no choice. No, I'm joking. Now I'll leave it. Now I'll leave it.
Yeah.
Listen, lad.
Man doesn't want to listen, Chad. Can trading become a full-time career? Stormy, we all trade full-time here in the office. Nah, Jeff, look, after kicking us out, I just told him, wow. Broker called market makers because 2Gs killed last week. Bro wants a grind now. Full margin now, Jeff. Take a low risk short on Nasdaq if the setup is there. Jeff said before, Keeks is like his big bro. Jeff, you also learn from your lessons. Now Jeff regret leaving the vape.
Yeah, you guys are making this easy for me. Yo, I do want to go now.
Yo, guys. That's just not Jeff. Jeff, yes, bro. How much did you risk on that trade? Honestly, no, don't lie to me now. How much did you risk on that trade?
1.1%.
Yes. Aye, guys, this boy. Yes. Oh. The 30-day power time frame is strategic. Traders can't wait that long. Yeah, bro, they get impatient. And Jeff's what, 14 days away?
10 days away.
10 days away.
Yeah.
Bro.
26th.
You know, I'm gonna tell you a story, yeah. Hopefully this motivates you, bro. Hopefully this motivates you to leave the account alone. And this is a true story, Chad. So at this time, we all started trading. We all like killing the market. Our whole group, our little like friend group, all doing super well. I'm not gonna name names just for like respect for the guy. but we're all doing super well, killing it. A lot of us start going full time. There's one mate of ours, he is a good trader, but psychologically, emotionally, he just gets in his own head and he always finds a way to screw it up. And eventually he gets a big account live. The man's sitting at like 100k payout. Man's also a bartender, stuff like this. 100k payout. He's now going to be able to go full time, give himself that cushion to focus on his trading, because I can fit the bills, everything for like 7 months. Like put it in a way, and it can cover his bills for almost a year, and give him the thing. So he's not going to spend it and go shopping and shit. Put it away, but it allows him to go full time and focus on his trading. Does this man not blow the account 3 days before withdrawal? 3 days. Hits daily drawdown. Took a trade. He kept on going a little bit down, a little bit up, a little bit down, a little bit up. And then he lost. And he was sitting in the case and he was like, yeah, I'm like, oh, I need to get back. I was going to have a 100k withdrawal. And just like was watching. It was a case. He knew what the daily drawdown was. And it's a case of, Chad, like you put your stop loss, but it goes a little bit over the stop loss and hit the equity. Bang, account breached.
Damn.
3 days before, and now the man still works at a bar today. Literally life-changing stuff, but because he didn't leave the account alone.
I hear you, Keegan. I hear you. Okay, I hear you.
I'm just saying, Chad. I'm just saying.
But now look, it's back in profit. It's asking me to come back.
I'm going to throw you with Billy if you enter on that. Enter it, but on another account. Enter on that account. I'm going to throw you with Billy.
No,
these horns are going to bliksem you in your kop there.
I'm not gonna trade more today. I'm done. I think I'm gonna go to this guy at for mentorship, since he's such a good teacher here in the chat.
Shout out Jen, see you when I'm home. Awesome, bro. Also got a huge SMT on ES and NQ. Look at all the highs. Jason Shear. Yeah, 100k keys. Yeah, 100k, bro. So should have other accounts you trade with while waiting for payout. Guys, I'm not going to say it, but that's already a tip I've given Jeff. Give yourself another account to trade while you wait for payout. He already, and you can ask him if he has. He does, because he already, I've had this discussion with him. Yeah, guys. Withdrawal symptoms, yeah. Now Jeff is like your ex-girl. Don't listen when she speaks. Add a drop recovery signal for Jeff. Hey, guys, hold on. Whoa. We might take a gold sell here. Yes, it's gold. Please don't run away now. Please don't run away. Oh, now to traces. Dear Lord Jesus. Sorry about that, Chad. Just give me a freaking trade here. Mm, 20 seconds to decide. 20 seconds. Nah, can't, guys. Can't solo. So hopefully this next 5 minutes I can just do it for us. For the 30-minute closure kicks, yeah. I was just watching the time, so if the 5 and the 15 was, I want to see where the 30 was. But yeah, if this 5 can do it for us, that gives us a 30-minute closure, which is even better. So yeah, we're just going to keep an eye out over here. See what we can get. Okay, my businessman mark has dropped, but my trading profits have jumped. Priorities. Gold mine, yeah, not gonna lie, that was a little uncalled for keys. Warren, what are you talking about, bro? Jay, you already give up on Naz, my brother. Come on, USD, be kind.
Nah, it's just
The man's dying, yeah.
yeah, yes, see, man. I don't know what to feel or how to feel.
What? Blaspheming. What the hell does that mean? Eh?
Hey,
What else does that mean?
what's that?
Blaspheming.
I have no idea.
I don't know.
I'm just mad at myself because this one day I decide to, yeah.
For an office that prays before every stream, that's not very educated. Blasphemy. Oh my word. Warren, but then try to spell it correct, brother. If you want to talk about education,
Wait,
at
wait,
least
wait, what?
spell correctly.
Wait, this man really just say that? So what you so
Oh.
I'm so confused what just happened in the chat now. I'm so confused.
Our boy. It's not Warren. Wait. God, what is going on here?
I am so confused right now.
Wait, hold on, Chad. What's going on here?
Okay, so Warren is the one who said that. Jackson spelled correctly. And then
Bro, like we all laughing here, having a good time, and now the Chad's going off. What is going on here, guys? Guys using words they don't know the meaning of. Keys, would you sweet or something? Nah. That's not okay for real. Warren, I even said literally sorry for it. But you can chill out, brother.
ek sal maar liever niks sê nie.
Yeah, oh my word, guys, bro.
Warren mustn't go to Wall Street. If
Oh.
literally I wanna see one perfect person on planet Earth.
6.7 it's not every billion Joe. I think I'll immigrate. Go ahead. Jesus forgive sins. Keeps like Alpha saying God's name in vain. I won't be back. Wait, what? I won't be back. I support every day. Right back to trading and jokes. Guys, what is going on? Like, yo.
Anyway, guys, what's the XY doing, Keegan?
Yo, guys. Oh my word. We still can't take the sales, guys. We didn't close lower. The 50-minute, the 5-minute, the 30-minute, nothing. So we still can't take the sales on gold. Even if we took it there, I was going to be a bit risky and take it. But I still can't take that, guys. Guys, are we still good on you in the chat? What is going on? Yeah, boys. What's up, Alex? Don't the hard ride. Jeez. Is it that time of the month, Warren? That's it. Alrighty.
You know, like we said, obviously sometimes things happen. No one is perfect. But if everyone is gonna call out every small mistake that we do, like imagine when I maybe mispronunciate a certain word, whatever the case, if everyone's gonna call out every small mistake, and the chat's gonna be filled with a lot of, almost said something else, but But yeah, just don't take it to heart, man, bro. It's life. We're all adults.
Yeah. I forgot, guys. I'm in primary school. I can't swear. I'm gonna need a little smack on the hand, yeah. But we're doing good, Alex. Bit of a confusion going on here, but we're doing good, brother. I hope you are as well.
Okay, Warren, eh?
Cheers, G's.
Warren, before you come talk like that here, ne? Why don't you go to all these fake passes and stuff like that, ne? And go tell them that they shouldn't be praying for people while scamming people before you come judge specific people.
Yeah. Our boy Warren is going in on the chat, yeah.
Feel it,
Warren? What's
Yeah.
that? Who's Warren? Who's Warren
No,
Hold
Warren,
on,
like,
hold on. Actually, hold on. Wait, what? It's not a small mistake, bro. You guys pray before every stream. That's not something to be taken lightly. Warren, chill out, bro. Literally, chill out.
Wait, what happened here?
So we had a
Every day, bro. What is that now?
So because he's going on for blasphemy, because the one trade it literally closed, so it's been coming up and down, up and down. So when it closed, I was like, yes, Jesus Christ. So I was like, shit, sorry, Chad. And now he's going on. Yeah, you can't say that. That's uncalled for. Like, how can you pray before you stream and you do this and now then the Chad's like, bro,
But that's
chill
why we
out.
pray. We need to pray.
But
Because the Bible says where sin abounds, grace abounds even more. So we need more grace, Chad.
Chris, can you please read my DM, bro? I'll explain properly. Oh, now he's DMing you, bro.
Chad, here's the thing. Grace. We need that grace. If Keegan blasphemes, pray for him as well. If I blaspheme, pray for me.
I got wicked out.
But the thing is, that is why we pray, Chad.
I got
We
wicked
need
out. Like,
that grace.
here was the entry on the blue
Every
line.
day, more grace. Because we need it.
It
Alright,
happens.
Chad.
That's right.
Gigs.
As well.
Yeah.
Oh,
I see Mr. Market was handing out some shots here
Yeah.
today.
Nah, this thing's literally.
Anything.
Nah, bro, that's where this all happened because I can't enter.
Mr. Market gave Mo a little jab.
What did you?
Nah, bro, let me tell you, dude. When Chris is around, bro, I don't know, he fucked with my head. I was sitting there like a good boy, just like analyzing. Next thing you know, I'm in a trade and I'm in the fucking nowhere.
What trade we did?
I was just asking you, what is Lucky at?
2 times today, just the presence of Chris has helped me fuck up
And
the
it's
trade.
like, in EU shorts. I'm like, but why? From where?
You know, so next thing you know, bro, you like, only the wick went into profit. Like, only the wick. Like,
He caught the low of the NY session.
just a little bit that. And I'm holding my trade type shit.
yes.
Yeah, no, I held it to
see.
give, bro.
And I see Jeb also got Mr. Market to. You know what that feels like, Mr. Market? Imagine a guy his hands are dirty and you eating something and it is dirty and he comes and he puts it in your mouth. Right like this.
And then he walks away, bro.
And he swirls it in your mouth and he, like, before he takes it out, he goes like this in your lip. Okay, cheers, Jeb.
Sorry about that.
Pray for me for the no bad. Ah.
Oh, yeah, the guys.
So very simple. The reason why I took it was based on a shift. Based on the shift, basically, the downside and that wick. Pretty simple. And slightly above it, we're at 1770.50. So I expect the price to go, obviously go test that once, one more again, one more time. But just my stop was a bit too tight. That was the only problem. Stop was too tight.
Yo. Bro, you know I always say, what's your buy and goal for today, bro? I honestly wanted to sell. We actually were looking at this morning already, so this was the initial entry this morning, yeah. And this thing ran, and then literally, yeah, this has just been a stuff up. So yeah, not really getting much on the day now. Just all over the place, honestly.
Jesus, bruh, Ada really trying to tell me how to trade when, bro, where were you when we took oil? Where were we when we took Nasdaq and gold and so forth and so forth? Yesterday, that's bruh.
Yeah.
But like I said, message me for your mentorship and I'll talk to you.
Yeah, guys, I'm just laughing at it. But you know what I always think is funny is, it's almost like people think Chris is like their dad. Like they want to go run to Chris to like report to him what we did. And then Chris takes us out. But yeah, guys, Jeff, are you looking at anything, bro?
No, I'm gonna end my day, yeah.
Yeah, DC, yeah. But yeah, guys, we're gonna call that a session. I think honestly, the markets are all over the place. We're not getting our breakthrough and close. This thing's just going up again. DXY literally going up at the same time. I'm not happy there. NAS back in Asia, Asia range. A beautiful sell off on NAS. And then gold, USD also back at Asia highs. So again, my brothers, as who was in here earlier, the pullback holding your daily pivot resistance, Asia highs. This close in here, very nice Asia lows, untested as your target, a break and continuation to the daily key level. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the session, guys. Again, guys, just bro, it's all fun and games. Take things light-hearted. Don't take things to heart. Just enjoy life, guys. Really, it doesn't need to always be so serious. But other than that, Jeff, any closing remarks there, brother?
From my side, guys, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't overtrade. Tomorrow's another day. And thank you for 7,000 subs. Thank you for changing my life, Chad.
But yeah, Chad, I think we are going to call it there. We're going to finish off. Don't worry, Vince. I got a song for you, brother. We got a song for you. But yeah, guys, as I said, might be one less sub after today, lol. If you guys haven't, now won't, because it's a serious thing. Warren, don't have mine, bro. But yeah, guys, we're going to leave it there. You guys are doing awesome with the content. Alex, you appreciate it, brother. Awesome. I also see the man's killing it on the charts, even being a family man. But yeah, enjoy it, guys. Hopefully let's come back tomorrow. Market's a bit more clear and directed, and we can get some one-way momentum. But other than that, it's been us. Remember, join us.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. sound, receiving sound, receiving sound, receiving sound, receiving sound, receiving sound, receiving sound.